Connect the machine to the air supply. Connect to the power. Open the rear door of the machine and turn on open the air switch. Note, please ensure that the power supply the machine connected to is correct. Select English to enter the English interface. Click Welcome to enter the main interface. These are discharging hoppers and bottles for testing. Open the cover. Install the discharging hopper. Place the bottle under the discharging opening, adjust the position of the discharging hopper, and then tighten. Note, the discharging hopper shall not be contacted with the turning plate after it is fixed. The discharging opening is not well aligned with the bottle opening. Adjust the guiding rail of the conveyor table for the adjustment of bottle position, so that the conveyor is appropriate for the bottle to go past. Adjust the guiding rail on the other side. Materials for testing are filled size 0 capsules. Add material to the hopper. Note, both two hoppers shall be added with capsules. Adjust the large black knob to control the size of the opening. Adjust the large black knob on the other side. Press parameter to enter the config set interface. Modify the set on the right side of QTY bottle, enter 360, press enter. Turn the conveyor switch to on. Turn the switch to 1. Adjust the governor to adjust the speed of the conveyor belt. Turn to the right, then the conveyor belt speed will get faster and faster. Put on the bottle and found that the bottle is moved a little bit. Need to adjust the position of the discharging hopper and then close the cover. Press the green button Start and the machine begins to vibrate and count. Check the counting accuracy of the machine. This is a capsule counter which can count 135 pieces size 0 capsules per time. – 135 capsules. – 135 pieces capsule again, and already 270 pieces capsules. Continue to count, and 90 pieces capsules this time. So, in total 360 pieces of capsules. Perfect. Press grain reset. The values of grain count1 and grain count2 is reset to be 0. Press bottle reset. The value of bottle is reset to be 0. Turn off the conveyor switch.